Yeah, today we want to start JavaScript events. So, which means what browser does and then what user does. How can you maybe you want to click on a button? When you click on it, what will happen? So that was called event. And I want to let you know that JavaScript is a driven event language. So let's do a little example like this. Change this to HTML. We have our let's call the page as events or just JavaScript sample. So let's try to put one event in this our button. You add event is like an attribute to your tag. So let's put space. And most of events start with on. So you can see all the events we have here on about, on not to complete, this and that. You can see. So we have many of them start with on. So the one we want to use now is that on click. That means if someone clicks on the button, what will happen? So which kind of event, which kind of JavaScript event will you use? We use on click. So on click, press enter. Now this on is requesting for your JavaScript code or your JavaScript function. Anything you like, you can put there. So this time we want to put JavaScript function there. So let's create any function. Let's put func. So that's something I create. And this function, we normally use open bracket, close bracket for function. So there's nothing inside here, which means it has no parameter. So let's create JavaScript. You can put it in the head here, your JavaScript code. The function we called upon here, we want to declare it here. So the name is func. So let me put alert. Hello. So that means if on click means if I click on the button, something like this will show alert. So click here, you can see hello. Or if you want it to redirect it to another website, you can just put dot location equal to any website I wanted to link you to. Let's use facebook.com. Windows is default, you may remove it like this. So when you click on this, you can see it takes us to facebook.com. So that a simple way to use JavaScript to redirect is called location equals to any URL you want to use. You put it here. Okay. Now, what if you want to change this click me? When you click on it, you want the text to be changed to wow, you have clicked on me. So how will you do that? So you follow this simple procedure by just write candidates like this, give this one ID. Let me call it demo, anything you like, just let's call it demo. Then display puts documents dot get element by ID. So demo dot inner HTML equals to wow, you have clicked me. So let's check what will happen. Refresh. Now I click it. You can see wow, you have clicked me. So you click on it again. So the text is already wow, you have clicked me, we put there before. Okay. There is still another way. Maybe in future you want to develop something and you are tired of using ID or class. There's a simple way you can do. If you want to make reference to this particular button or this particular tag, you want to make reference to it and you want to call upon it in your function here, you can just put this. This means the particular object you are working on. So that's what is called this. So you can see now this my function is a function and it has a parameter called this. So let's give it a parameter here also. You can call it anything you like, put here. You can put button, you can put parameter, let's call it param. So that means something you want to collect from here, so you want to push it here. Make sure that this one has parameter, one parameter, this which is inside. This your function also must have one parameter so that it will be the same with this one. Now param, now this param and this they are the same now, because you are calling upon this button. This button is called this, no use another word. So this button is referring to this particular button. So this one is a JavaScript code. But in this place, you cannot use any word in this place. You can use any word because this place is parameter. But this parameter, you are giving it value here, which is this. So let me use param here. So it now be param dot inner HTML equals to wow. So which means you mean this particular button dot html should be changed to wow. So let's refresh and check. You can see wow, you've clicked me. That's another way you can pass value into JavaScript function. There's another way you can still do this. Let's try this way. Without using function, you can just write your JavaScript code inside. Write it like this: JavaScript colon alert. Maybe alert you want to use, put it there. Wow. Please don't forget the quotes. You know we have double quotes here, double quotes here. So any quote you want to use inside should be another quote. So if you have single quotes here, the one you use here should be double quote. If you have double quote, the one you use inside should be single quote. So that means we are writing JavaScript inside button, inside that on click. We don't want to create function this time around. We just want to write our code inside that on click. So let's check it out now. You can see it still work. So what if we remove this JavaScript? Will it still work? Wow, still work. So that means if you don't want to use function, you can just write a JavaScript code here direct. Let's try changing the text of this our button. Now this dot inner HTML equals to wow, you have clicked me. Can just terminate also here. Wow, you have clicked me. So that means still okay. Let's try to display. I don't want to display why you have clicked me again. Let's display today's date. That date, full date. So to display full date is this. Can see that Wednesday, July 17, 2019. So which means if you want to uh, do something like this, maybe you want to, let's call this one function, get me date. I create a function now called get me date. Then the date that should get me should come to this place. Let's call it div id. Put my date here. So that's the name of my id. So this is a function now. You know, if you want to, if you put a function in anywhere, you must declare it. So let's declare it in this side. Script function. What's the name of my function? Get me date. So is this one that I will look for my library, look for date, and the date should be displayed inside this place, inside this div, inside this div. So this div contains empty set. So that means I now name, I give it identity to be put my bits here.